You wake up at 4:30 a.m. No alarm, no hesitation. Because if you're late today, someone dies. Your phone lights up. Movement confirmed. 2 hours. You don't even ask what that means. Black suit. Hidden earpiece. Loaded weapon. You check the mirror. Not for your face, for your composure. Because today, you're not a person, you're a shield. The motorcade is ready, every car identical, every route fake, except one. You don't know which one, and that's the point. Crowds are already forming, people smiling, waving, recording. You scan faces. One looks too calm. One looks too nervous. One doesn't blink. Your earpiece whispers, possible threat, Section B. Your heartbeat slows down, not faster, because panic gets people killed. The president steps out, and in that moment, every bullet in the world feels like it's aimed at you. A sudden movement. A man reaches inside his jacket. Time stops. You move, you tackle, you cover. You don't think. Because thinking is slower than instinct. Silence. Then chaos. Then sirens. Later that night, you sit alone. No medals, no headlines. Just a message. Good job. Be ready tomorrow.